this file hasn't got a problem with printing, but this file didn't come with the printer. Any one of the files that come with the printer, and this is the X1 Carbon, on the internal, any one of those, except for this, which is that, all the other files, like that's what we're printing at the moment, that one there, that file doesn't print. That there doesn't print, look. So anything that came with the printer doesn't print. Bizarre. Yeah, excuse me, I'm watching making a milling machine. I'm making one at the moment myself. With them ball screws. All good shit. And I want this 3D printer to be able to print good stuff, like for example, this. This didn't get printed by it, it got printed by Creality CR10S version 2 Pro, which is this, which ain't working. Needs a new hotbed and something else. Anyway, so that, if it was in really good print quality, like that's not bad, right, but it still needs to be sanded and everything, then I make a sand mould of it and then make that out of aluminium. And what's going in there is these 4 glow plugs, and water passes through here into this chamber, and it gets heated up by the glow plugs until the engine gets warm water, so it can make you warm inside the cab without having to wait for you to drive down the road for 5 minutes. You get in your vehicle and you press go on the hot air, and within 30 seconds you've got hot air coming through because of this. Anyway, well, that's the idea. Four of those things. The end glows bright red, and them in there like that, and water passing through there and swirling in there, and it's specially machined inside. Now you understand. We're near the end, and the print looks like it's not failed. Which means you've got to go another print straight away and see if I can get that to fail. Wouldn't it be bizarre if only, well it is, it looks like it, doesn't it? All those prints that come with the printer don't work. I'm doing a CAD design of my milling machine. Can't wait to own one. and be able to make products. Should be able to stop it. Should be done in. I don't think it's filling the chimney in, because why would it fill it in? Well, okay. You've redeemed yourself on one print. 7 prints failed. That message there says about the camera dirty inside. There's a camera, and you can see it on via your phone what's going on, but I don't give a damn about that. That's not writing on the back, but it's not, is it? I don't know what it is. Is it supposed to be writing? Don't know. Right, get on with the next print.